What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have this 2016 Lamborghini Aventador Pirelli edition, and today we are going to upgrade the steering wheel on this car. So as you can see, I have the airbag already removed, disconnected the battery, and to disconnect the battery you have to remove the front boot. So you can see the battery is located at the bottom right there, and this piece needs to come out in order to replace it and unhook it. And here we have the steering wheel that's gonna go in there. This is a beautiful steering wheel, carbon fiber with the Pirelli edition logo under it. And well, we're just taking apart the old one. We're gonna transfer all the pieces over, and yep. So to take this steering wheel apart, you have to first take the screws on the back. If you see right here, there's a little notch in there. You gotta pop these plastic tabs in order to access the screws, and also to remove the or get this piece loose, you gotta take the wheel cut. You gotta take those screws out. I don't know if you can see right there, it's kind of hard to see it. You gotta take those two screws. They're gonna look like this, like that. Gotta take those and then lower the plastic cover, and then you'll be able to remove the plastic tabs. Once you remove the plastic tabs, you gotta take the bolts out for the airbag. It's pretty simple. It's just held by two screws right here. Gotta take those out, and then the airbag will pop. And finally, to take the steering wheel, well, you have this I believe it's M12 to take the big screw in the middle, and then you will be able to pop the steering wheel off like this. Then we're going to replace with this one right here. Alright guys, so we are here with the steering wheel. As you can see, I pretty much disassembled the whole thing. If you see this one right here, this is the original steering wheel, and well, if you take a look, there's a slightly difference, and it looks much better with the Pirelli. And well, this logo is gonna match with the Pirelli of the vehicle, which is really nice, and it has these cool lines that follows all of it. Pirelli, it's gonna be pretty cool, and well, can't wait to put this bad boy in there. And also it comes with the logo. I'll show you a video of this in a little bit once it's installed, and well, let's do it. Alright guys, so the car is already done. The steering wheel is already installed, and let's check it out. So this steering wheel turns on when you open the switch. I mean the door right here, and we see the logo right there light up. And also if you turn it on, alright, so we turn it on, we have the USB dongle connected right there, so that dongle sends signal to this one to tell the RPMs and all that. So when we turn it on, this is what it's gonna do. There we go. Pretty nice. It has buttons right here where you can customize. You can change the kilometers to miles and all that, and well, it's pretty cool, pretty amazing. And well, if you rev it, goes with the mileage. Alright guys, so this will be pretty much the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next episode. You fix out. Bye.